Hi guys, today's recipe is banana bread. I wanted to call it a banana cake, but the texture is more bready. Anyway, let's begin with the recipe. You'll need about one banana. An overripe banana is more preferable, but I had this one. You can use the whole banana, but I'm only using 3/4 of it. Mash it with the back of a fork and put it to the mixing bowl. Then you can either add wheat flour, same amount, or maida. I've used maida here, all-purpose flour, about 3 tablespoons. After which I've used about a pinch of nutmeg powder. You can totally skip it. I had it handy. 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Again, you can skip this if you wish to, but I recommend to add it. Here I've used 2 big tablespoons of condensed milk. You can also use sugar or sugar powder as per your sweet preference. Stir it and then add about 1 tablespoon of oil and about 1.5 tablespoon of milk. You're using milk here to combine all the dry ingredients and help you whisk better, so adjust milk accordingly. If it is dry, then you can add some more milk. I've only used about 1.5 tablespoon. Whisk it well, see that there are no lumps, or the only lumpy texture you'll see is of the mashed bananas. You can add dry fruits of your choice. I've used walnuts. You can also add raisins. It brings out great flavor. Just break it into pieces and add it. Then I've greased this bowl with some oil. You can use butter or butter paper. Transfer it to the bowl and you'll have to microwave this for 2 minutes on high power. I forgot to check what power my microwave was set on, and then so I took about 4 minutes to get this done. You'll know it's ready when you have a brownish layer on top and your cake is spongy and your toothpick comes out clear. Okay, until then you'll have to microwave it. The best part about this is that since you're using microwave, you can keep checking on it. Also, let it cool down once you take it out from the microwave, after which you can serve it with some banana slices and chocolate syrup, and it's ready. So try this recipe, let me know what you think. Like, share, comment, subscribe to my channel. Also, I will leave everything in the description box. Don't forget to check it out. Bye.